Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Now, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle tied the knot on Saturday. The couple exchanged rings and vows at the Windsor Castle in England.
Meghan, I give you this ring.
Harry, I give you this ring.
As a sign of our marriage.
As a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honor you.
With my body, I honor you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
And all that I have,
I share with you.
I share with you.
They were joined by members of the royal family, including Queen Elizabeth and the Duke of Edinburgh, Meghan's mother Doria Ragland, and the other friends and family members. The royal wedding saw the bride being met partway down the aisle by the groom's father, Prince Charles. William, the Duke of Cambridge, acted as best man at the wedding, and the bridesmaids and page boys included Prince George and Princess Charlotte. A-list celebrities such as Oprah Winfrey, Idris Elba, James Blunt, and tennis star Serena Williams were among the guests at the royal wedding. On the morning of the wedding, the Queen, in a formal release on the family's official website, announced the titles of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle as Royal Highness the Duke of Sussex and Miss Meghan Markle as the Duchess of Sussex. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex will not be jetting off for their honeymoon just yet. It was announced this morning that the official family wedding photograph was released to the public, and the new Duke and Duchess will instead be on a royal duty carrying out their first official engagement as husband and wife. The couple is due to attend Buckingham Palace garden party on Tuesday as part of the Prince of Wales' 70th birthday celebrations. Congratulations to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. The 14th staging of St. International Jamaica Style Week came to an end last Sunday evening on the roof of the digital headquarters in downtown Kingston. The final leg of the week-long festivities closed with the International Mecca of Style. The event saw international designers such as Courtney Washington, Rick Bailey, and Greta Constantine showcasing astounding pieces from their summer-spring collections. The runway was also graced by international models Tammy Williams, Brad Allen, the Saint Valencia 8, among a slew of others. Style Week began on May 14 and saw events like Posh in Black at 23 New Kingston, Frenchie Lan, a red carpet affair that was held at the French Embassy, a Careers and International Fashion Symposium, City Style Part 2, and Fashion Block, the anticipated event for Style Week on the calendar. Fashion Block took place in New Kingston on Saturday and was no surprise, it drew the largest crowd. It featured designers such as Bella Shawn, former Saint International model Kadian Nicely, Donovan De Pass, Mama Yashi, Kefri Van Horn, among others. Performances were also offered from Kim Nain, IKEA, and D'Angel. This year, Style Week 2018 featured over 20 Jamaican designers and international fashion designers from Colombia, Canada, New York, London, and Paris.
I must say I applaud those designers, I applaud the models and all the people who made Style Week 2018 absolutely phenomenal. The International Mecca of Style, the grand conclusion for Style Week 2018 was simply incredible. I'm very happy at the outcome.
That's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.